Alright, so this is basically what my lipstick little area looks like. I think I have all my lipsticks here. I think I have a few in my purse. Let's just get into this decluttering. Welcome to my lipstick area. All my lipsticks are here and I am ready for a huge declutter. A lot of the stuff is expired, so I'm gonna have to get rid of it. Like, I feel bad because, well, I only have one mouth. And I just realized that I don't go through lipsticks as much. I'm just a lipstick junkie. Like, I just love them so much. Some of them I kind of was just collecting them. I had issues with like finding my nude color, and I have issues with returning things. Like, I don't know, I just feel bad returning stuff all the time. I kind of have them organized. So I'm gonna start with this one right here. These are the Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipsticks. A lot of these I haven't even used. So I don't know if they're still good or not. I think I'm gonna keep these still because these were actually in like a really cute packaging. That's why I have a bunch of these minis. They were in super cute packaging, and I don't know, I just like to display these. I really like the packaging. I like the gold and the colors look nice. I'm gonna get rid of these two right here because, well, once upon a time the dogs, or one of the dogs, smelled them and she started to chew on them, so I taped them. I'm gonna figure out what to do with the rest of these. But they're not gonna go in here because they're just taking up space. So I'm gonna keep those. Looks like a lot of these are reds. So this is a Because Cosmetics High Shine Liquid Lip Color. I'm gonna keep this. I still haven't gave it like a solid try, but I think when I did, I liked it. The formula wasn't sticky or anything, so I'm gonna keep that. This is from Senegence, and it's the Lip Sense. I adore these for whenever I'm gonna go eat like barbecue or something messy. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out all my lip scents. I have two more right here, and then this is like a black glittery one. So I'm gonna take that out, and then here's another lip scent. It's like a lip topper lip coat, so keeping that. I'm gonna get rid of these NYX Ombre Lip Duos. I have not used these, if anything, at all. Like, I really haven't. I don't think I'm ever gonna use them. I don't want them to just sit there another year. They're cute. I like the idea. I don't know, I kind of like this one though, because I don't have a black lip liner. So I'm gonna keep this one, but I'm gonna get rid of this one. I have this Bite Beauty Amuse Bouge liquefied lipstick. I kind of like this. Throw in my purse if like I need a touch up because it's a gloss. I like Bite Beauty's lipstick, so I'm just gonna keep this one because I like it. This is the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Santa Sangre. I think Shane just bought this one for me last year, so I'm still gonna keep that one. And then this is from the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop Twinkling Lights. I don't know if I didn't care for this one. Hold on, let me see. I don't know. That color is kind of cool toned. I think I'm gonna keep it because I love Kathleen Lights. And then this one's the other one. This one was Little Star, and then this one's Lucky Star from that same collection. I like this one because I think this one is this one. This one's the Ultra Satin Lip. So I love ColourPop's Ultra Satin Lips because they're like super soft. From Real Her. I don't think I've used this. It's called I Am Adaptable. I got this in an Ipsy. I'm gonna go ahead and declutter it because I don't need any more reds, and it kind of looks like it leans more of like an orangey red. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it. Oh no, it's a blue red. Ooh. I haven't tried it. I'm gonna give it a shot. Maybe I can put it in a project pan, so I'm gonna keep this one. This is the Buxom Wildly Whipped or something like that. Soft matte lip color. This is in the shade Centerfold. Whoa, I haven't even used this. I think it's just old. So there's a swatch of it right there. It kind of reminds me of Kat Von D's Bow and Arrow. So I don't know, since I already swatched it, I might try it because I'm still looking for a really good nude. And that kind of looks good on my skin tone, right? So I think I'm gonna give it a shot, so I'm gonna keep it. This is a Kat Von D Bullet Lipstick, her Studded Kiss Lipsticks. This one I'm gonna keep because it has sentimental value. It's super, super old. I've had it since 2014. And this lipstick I got whenever Shane took me to Vegas for the first time, or like us together. I mean, I've been to Vegas whenever I was like, I don't know if I was 10 or 11. It was like a family trip. We went to Sephora and he saw this red lipstick and he's like, this is you gotta have this. So there's that one. And then I got the new formula. He wants me to like try them out and see if anything's changed. So this one's still fairly new. I only swatched it once, but supposedly there's like a new formula, or I don't know what they did. but I'm gonna keep both of those. It looks like these are like shimmery, like glittery type of lipsticks. This Ciate Velvet Liquid, that's just too bright. I like berries, but I haven't even reached for this, so I'm gonna go ahead and toss it. Freaking Wet n Wild. I've never been so crushed in my entire life to hear that Wet n Wild is like back in the gray area, like not cruelty free. Some people might still buy it. Everyone's gonna have their own opinion about Wet n Wild, and for me, I can no longer support Wet n Wild at this moment. Alright, so with that said, these are, I think, from the Halloween collection. They're the liquid catsuits. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these. These are from Dose of Colors. They are so old. They were in like a trio that I got. And I don't even know if they're still good, but I think I've worn one like one time. They don't smell bad, but I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this brown glittery one. And let me see. Let me swatch these right here. Yeah, I'm not going to wear that shade either, so I'm going to get rid of this one. But, because I love reds, I think I'm going to keep this one. So, I'm going to keep one red and then get rid of the other two. This is the Amore Matte Metallic Lip. I don't know what color this is, but I don't care for it. I don't think I'm huge on like, I don't know, I just haven't found a really cute like metallic that I like like this formula right here, like the finish of it. I haven't found one that I like, so I'm getting rid of that. This is a Because Cosmetics Metallic Lip. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one. Oh no, I think it dried out. Hold on. I know I'm not supposed to pump these. Okay, I'm gonna have to get rid of it because it is dried out. This right here, I've tried to pan this in the past and I've had it long enough. This is the Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. This is from Essence and it's their liquefied lipstick. I remember the whole fuss about these when people are like, this is not a liquid lipstick, it's a gloss, but it's a liquid lipstick. Like I don't know what people were thinking or assuming liquid lipsticks meant they were matte, because everyone was upset that they were not matte. It is a liquid lipstick. It didn't say matte liquid lipstick, but I'm gonna keep it because I love this, and I'm sad because I don't think they make these anymore, but I love the component because it looks like it has a lipstick in there. So I'm gonna keep this one. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Sellout. I can't believe I haven't reached for this one anymore, and it's bad. It smells weird, so I'm getting rid of it. These are the Everlasting Glamour Veils from Kat Von D. I'm super sad that Kat Von D kind of handed over her company, but whatever. She's doing her shoe line, and I'm obsessed. I already told Shane, I was like, you're gonna buy me a pair of her shoes. So he was like, okay. I think this one's the more orangey tone one, but I think I'm gonna get rid of it. Yeah, that one's a little bit too orangey down there, so I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna keep this one because it's the more reddish toned. I think it's called, oh, it's called Dazed. I think the other one's called Rockstar, but this one's cute. It's like a little glittery red. Hopefully you guys can see that. This is her purple one called, what? Televator. So I'm just gonna give this a quick little swatch here. This one, Beware. Oh my gosh, one time I did a look with this lipstick and I put it on my eye and it stained my eye purple. Of everything that was in this container, I'm only keeping 4. Yay! Let's get into this right here. For the most part, it looks like it's my berries and dark reds. This is the ColourPop Lippy Sticks. This is the Matte X formula, and trust me, I think I like this formula and I love the red. It's really soft, really pretty, so I'm gonna keep this one. I am not gonna keep this one because this shade is like too dark for me. It's too vampy. I'm gonna try to be cutthroat with these because I really gotta get my lipstick collection under control. These are obviously the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipsticks. This one is in the shade, what are you? Nosferatu. Okay, so that's like a blood red. I think I like this one. This one's called Bauhaus, and I think this is the berry that I liked on me. Yeah, I like this color, so I'm gonna keep this one. Actually, I gotta smell them. Yeah, they still smell okay. And then I think this is another vampy one, but it still leans on the red side. Ugh, this is tough. I don't know which one I should keep. I want like at least one vampy color, but I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna keep the Kat Von D. This is a ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip that I haven't used, so I gotta shake it up a little bit. I think this is another one that I like the color of it because it's like another berry tone. I'm gonna get rid of it since I have the Kat Von D one. These are melted mattes. This is the one in Lady Balls. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one. Let me see. I feel like, I don't know if the tone's right. Yeah, it has a little bit of blue in it. Okay, I'm gonna keep it. My thing about reds is like, I don't know, my teeth aren't like super white already. So if it has a little bit of orange in it, I'm not gonna keep it. This one still smells good. This was from their Christmas collection. It's called Candy Cane. So it still smells okay. And I do like the berry tone, like pinky berry. There's this little Kat Von D mini in Damned. I'm gonna swatch this one right here. Ooh. That is way too dark. I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of that one. These two from Wet n Wild, since, you know, whatever went wild, getting rid of it. This is from Canon Cosmetics. Doesn't smell bad, but I think that's a little bit too pink for me. So I'm just gonna get rid of it. Dose of Colors. This is Brick. I adore this. I already know what it looks like. I don't know, something about this brown. Looks so good on me, so I'm keeping it. This is another one of those Bite Beauty Amuse Beige liquefied lips, and this one is in the shade Hikama. So I'm gonna keep this one because it's pretty, like a nice brownie nude shade. It kind of reminds me of this one right here. I love these freaking lipsticks right here from Wet n Wild. I don't even know what they're called. I just know they're the little bullet ones that look like this. This one is in Smokin' Hot Pink. Get rid of it. These two from Buxom. This one is called Cur Royale. I don't care for it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This one is another full-on lip cream in the shade Rose Julep. I'm gonna keep this one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I wish you guys could see my lap right now because it is getting full of lipsticks I'm getting rid of. These are ones that I had like in other containers in my purse. Kat Von D Studded Kiss. My daughter, she got into my purse and just went crazy with this lipstick. For the most part, it still smells good, but I love this shade. It's Lolita, so I'm gonna keep it. This is from Hank and Henry, and it is his lip lusters. I don't even know if I've tried this, but it kind of reminds me of the Essence component where it looks like it has a lipstick on the inside. Anyways, I just want to point that out. I thought that was funny. But I'm gonna keep this because it's Hank and Henry, and I love Hank and her. I don't even know how to say it right, so don't come for me. Anyways, Wet n Wild, so sad. This is one of my favorite ones. This one is Bare It All, so I'm sad, but I'm gonna get rid of it. NYX, I love this soft matte lip cream, but I have to wear a lip liner with it. But this is like one of my perfect nudes. You can barely see it, but you can see like it fits me perfect. This is from Oriza Beauty. I don't even know how to pronounce that. I haven't even swatched this, so I think I'm gonna put this up on my Mercari. I think these are bad. These are from Ofra, and this is from whenever they launched that like cute little trio for Valentine's Day like 2 or 3 years ago. I never used them, and I don't know if Ofra has updated their liquid lipstick formula since then, but I think when I tried it, I liked it because it was like a comfortable, like matte, creamy type of liquid lipstick. And then this one is a collector's one. I think I might keep it because it's a collector's type of thing, but it's the Kathleen Light's Miami Fever Ofra collab. It was like one of her first collabs. It smells so bad, like it's bad, okay? I love Kathleen Light, so I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna like display it somewhere else. I don't know if it's just like how Ofra's liquid lipstick smell. I think it's bad. I think they're bad. I'm really sad. I never use these because like I said, they came in a cute display, and I was all about like collectors. Like I was a makeup collector. I didn't use it. I just collected it and displayed it. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these 3. This is another Lip Sense. This is a matte gloss or whatever, so I'm gonna keep that. These are Because Cosmetics Ultra Rich Long Wearing Lipsticks. This one is in the shade Tea Rose, as you can see. I love it. This is my everyday lipstick, and it's the one that I keep in my purse all the time. This one is, oh my god, my daughter got into it too. This one is in the shade Captivating. So it's one of those like berry tone shades that I love, so I'm gonna keep it. And then this one right here is my backup of Tea Rose. We are down to our last and final container of lipstick. This is from ColourPop. It's the Ultra Matte in Mama. So torn with this one. Like I love anything that's like orangey, like burnt orange. Like I think it's so pretty, especially like during fall because it reminds me of like pumpkin spice, and I love pumpkin spice. So I think I'm gonna keep this one. I will get rid of this one. It's a ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip. I think in my last lipstick declutter, I said I was like, maybe I'll use it. And there was a moment where I wanted a blue lipstick, but I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of it. These are the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Taurus and Lumiere. I think I'm just gonna get rid of both of these. I got them because obviously Kathleen likes. This is the Amore Matte Lip Cream in Beloved. I'm gonna keep this because it is like an OG, hard to find. Like, this was one of the original formulas before they like got rid of them, or they changed the name. Like, I think it's called Loved now or something like that. I actually overpaid. I don't even know how much these retail, but I know that I paid $16 for this on eBay. This is from Jordana, and it's the Sweet Cream Matte Lipsticks. See, I'm gonna get rid of that one. I think I could find a better color, and I think I got these at Walgreens, so if I want to go get another one, I'll go get it. This one is from M Cosmetics. I got this in an Ipsy. Ugh, that's too cool tone, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of it. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is the Gloss in Kristen. I don't even think I even used this before. Okay, let's swatch this down there. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna keep that. This is the NYX Whipped whatever it is. I think it's like a lip and cheek type of ordeal. I think I'm gonna keep that because I like that type of nude. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lipstick. It's in the shade Free Spirit, and I love this. Another one of my like favorite nude shades. I'm gonna swatch it over here so you can see it there. It looks really good. This is from Smashbox. I don't know where the heck I got this, but I don't think I've even used it. Look, like you can see a little bit of the clear on top. Like, see if I can get closer. You can see where I haven't even opened it at all. It's in the shade Babe Alert. So I think I'm gonna keep it so I could try it. This is from Ulta, and I think I got this in a gift with purchase. It's in the shade Pink Punch. So there it is right there. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. Don't care for it. This is from ColourPop, and it's in the shade Quickie. I think this is a collab with Makeup Shayla, or I don't know. That is too like pale for me, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. This is from Dose of Colors. It's the Desi X Katie collab, and it's the Over the Top gloss. I am gonna keep that because I love Desi and Katie. Another one from their collab, it is called My Main, and this is their, it's the darker nude, so I like that. This is from Kat Von D. This is Lolita 2. I actually don't care for the first Lolita in the liquid version, but I love it in the bullet. But I do love Lolita 2 in the liquid version, so I'm keeping this one. These two are from Bite Beauty. They came in those little like Christmas little quads in the little tins. This is called Chai, and this one's Beetroot. So I think I'm gonna get rid of Beetroot, and then this one is called Chai. They smell so good. So I'm gonna keep this one because it's one of those like really cute nude shades. So this one is from Ulta, and this one's called Pink Chocolate. I'm gonna get rid of it. These two are from the Desi X Katie collab. I didn't realize I got both colors, so I got More Creamer Please and Aftermath. Aftermath is the darker one here, and then More Creamer Please is a little bit lighter, but I use a dark lip liner and then I put that on top, so I am keeping those. Look at all the lipsticks that are in my lap. That's how much I'm getting rid of. Of the 77 lipsticks that were in here, I'm keeping 45, and I'm not counting lip liners that are back there, and I'm not counting the Too Faced liquid lipsticks back there. And then there was one like other like the NYX Ombre Lip Duo. I'm not counting that because I'm counting that as a lip liner. I got rid of 32. A little less than half, but I'm okay with it because I'd rather have 45 lipsticks than 77. You know what I'm saying? I feel better about how this looks. I think I'm going to try to do some rolling project pans to, you know, get use out of a lot of these. I will do another declutter again next year. So I'm going to try to do this yearly declutter. So that way I can, you know, either get rid of stuff that's already gone bad, or just get rid of stuff that I no longer want to have in my collection. I feel so much better. Like, this always gave me anxiety of seeing this like not decluttered and not reorganized and just mixed with things that I didn't like. Thank you guys for hanging out. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.